world's largest democracy, once widely depends on the agriculture industry, now became the world's largest motorcycle market. In this market, motorcycle had a long history. It was start its journey from the colonial period, but that was a different story. Over the past few decades, Indian motorcycle market changed its character dramatically. Before 90s, motorcycle was a part of lifestyle and also for military used purpose. After mid 90s, motorcycle became the part of self-transportation system. On this theater, Bajaj Chetak, Yamaha RX100 to Hero Honda Splendor play their role with good performance. By this, a new segment had born, the commuter motorcycle. Today, the Indian motorcycle market largely depends on the commuter segment. Mostly 100 to 200cc bikes are in this segment, but actually 150 to 160cc bikes are on the core of the segment. Now we are going to see the comparison between three most anticipated 160cc bike on the segment: Bajaj Pulsar NS 160, TVS Apache 160, and the most awaited Xtreme 160R by the house of Hero Honda, the manufacturer of world's largest selling bike. Which one is the best of the best? Just find out. First time we saw this bike by the name of Concept 1R on Enigma Motor Show, Milan, Italy. Completely new reverse LCD display with speedo, clock, odometer, trip meter, engine ramper, oil indicator, side stand indicator, but we miss gear indicator and side-by-side navigation with Bluetooth connectivity. Completely new 163cc 2-valve SOHC engine. Slightly lower compression ratio 9.8:1 help to reducing heat and vibration. Pre-programmed 14 sensor ECU for its FI system. Excellent body panel work with good quality paint job. Long comfortable seat. Introverted pillion grab rail. 790 mm low seat height with lower rider foot pegs makes it not only a street fighter, it's a sports commuter. Single channel ABS inbuilt hazard light with full LED illumination system. Let's hear it's breathing out. On the other hand, Apache is the most racing DNA bike. In terms of the engine refinement, Apache 160R is the best of the best. Its gearbox is also buttery smooth and clutch is obviously very light. This 159.7cc single-cylinder oil-cooled motor has 4-valve on its heart, producing 16 PS power with 14 plus Nm peak torque. RTR 160 looks fabulous. The lascious tank, the offset fuel filler cap looks just wow. The RTR more than just fights over its two contender along its incredible quality. It has brightest and widest illumination setup by its LEDs and also full digital meter console, but neither has gear positioning indicators. Suspension setup, also softest in the segment, makes it most comfortable in terms of sitting posture, rider and pillion also. It's maintained the high-end quality and performance level, which makes it the best-in-class performance bike. The unbeatable RTR 164V has had fight for its life. Now it's struggling for sportiness and practicality. Cause Xtreme 160 by Hero now is in here. It also has tighter turning radius, so just maneuvering the motorcycle overall is much easier than on RTR or NS. Unless Xtreme 160R, Apache and NS both have oil cooling system. Wheelbase is shortest in the class, but still because of its hardware, it feels very confident on cornering. NS 160 intro itself with clip-on handlebar, long comfortable split seat with texture finish, remembrance KTM series, adjustable nitrox charge rear monoshock, unique underbelly exhaust system. NS 160 is the most powerful bike in the segment. This 160cc motor having 17 PS power with 14.6 Nm torque makes it a super rev happy natured. By its intense acceleration, it also the fastest 160cc bike in this segment, of course excluding the premium segment bike like R15. We also get a well-crafted undercowl which wisely hide the catalytic converter. Its build quality is very impressive. Coupled with the perimeter frame with new box time swing arm, this is the only one bike in this category as it usually available in the higher segment motorcycle. Naked wool white parking lamp along with the halogen headlamp with semi-digital meter console give it some retro touch. Fabulous build quality define Bajaj as it always known for challenging its own limit by trying to create a new benchmark by offering best technology and hardware within a best price point. Though Xtreme 160R is the least powerful machine in the segment, it is most lightest too. That's why it maintains best power to weight ratio. If you are looking for a practical bike that has a performance, lightweight, easy to maintain in traffic by its shorter turning radius, feel easy to local commuting, then Xtreme 160R is obvious.